Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing meal prep and we're going to do easy meal prep with a crock pot. First thing you're going to want to do is take some frozen tortellini and empty it out into your crock pot. Then you'll take some marinara sauce and pour that on. Take a tiny bit of Italian seasoning and spread that along the top. Then you want half a carton of low sodium chicken broth for the bottom and fill that up. Again, half a carton. We're gonna add in a scoop of minced garlic. I'm actually gonna add in 2 scoops. And then take a block of light cream cheese and just throw that right in the center. Then we're going to take some shredded mozzarella and sprinkle that across the top. Again, this is a nice, easy crock-pot meal. It's one of those put it in, set it aside, and then you have some meals. You're also going to take some shredded Parmesan, and we're going to sprinkle that across the top. Top that off with some pepper and about a handful of spinach. Then we're going to set this up, cap off your crock pot, and we're going to set this on high for 1 to 2 hours or on low for 3 to 4. And then we'll come back and see the final product. All right, it's been 2 hours. Again, I had this 2 hours on high. Smells amazing. And then just stir it up, and there you go. You have meals for the week. Well, thank you for tuning in to my weekly meal prep. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.